everything I ate at Dunkin' Donuts in Amsterdam. They had so many cool donuts I've never seen before and macarons, and I got a bunch to try. And they had a stroopwafel one with this cute little crispy, sugary stroopwafel on top. It was filled with caramel, which was super sugary, but hey, it was really fluffy. And if there's a Biscoff donut on the menu, I am ordering it. It's that kind of like cinnamony, ginger snappy caramel flavor that's just unmatched. And it was filled with a cookie butter cream, I think. And then they had these cute watermelon donuts for summer filled with watermelon cream. It kind of tasted like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I don't know if it worked well in a donut. And the strawberries and cream one was heart-shaped, adorable. I definitely like the flavor of this one more than the watermelon one because it wasn't as artificial tasting. And you already know if there's a Nutella donut, it's gonna be my favorite. You just can't beat that like smooth, sugary, nutty, thick deliciousness, especially in a fluffy donut. Come on. And this banana pudding donut was filled with banana cream, but I feel like it needed some nuts or cinnamon or just some sort of other flavor because it just kind of tasted like banana flavoring. They also had this pretty red velvet cheesecake donut, which was filled with this really sugary cheesecake filling, and it was really soft. But yeah, that's all for today.